You will choose which time frame is better. Now, there is nothing, no definition of better. Your investment horizon will choose your time frame, and your time frame will choose your time horizon on the screen. I hope that this is now getting simpler for you. Investment horizon means that if you're looking for a long-term investment of, let's say, more than 1 year, something more than 1 year if you're looking at, but using technical analysis, you're planning your entry and exit. So you can even have a time frame of 1 month, 1 week, like that. If you're looking to invest for 6 months, 3 months, you can go for 1 day candle. If you're investing for even for 1 month, I would suggest 1 day candle. If you are doing an intraday trade, which means your investment horizon is only 1 day, which means you'll hold the stock only for a day. So if you're doing an intraday trade, then the best time frame is 5 minutes. Okay? So basically, please note it down that for intraday traders, there is nothing better than 5 minute candle, because 1 minute candle will be too noisy. I mean, if there's a candle happening every minute, imagine the kind of noise which will be there in the data. The volatility which will be there in the data. I mean, unnecessary volatility we'll have. And imagine if you choose something above 30 minutes or 1 hour on an intraday chart. So you are sitting in front of the screen from 9:15 to 3:30, and one candle is finishing off in 30 minutes. I mean, how will you trade then? Because you cannot trade. You cannot trade until unless a candle is closed. Until unless the candle is closed, you cannot trade. Please remember, I'm repeating it. When a candle is being formed, it can change its shape by the time it is closing. I mean, if it's a 5 minute candle, initially it can open as a green candle. And by the end of the 5th minute, it can turn into a red candle also. So don't trade until unless the candle is closed. No one will say you this. I'm telling you. 5 minute candle is the best for intraday traders. Initially, you can start with 15 minute, upgrade yourself to 10 minute after you keep seeing the markets for, let's say, 2-3 months. Then you will see, just like the cricketers, when they keep playing and keep practicing, they see the cricket ball of the size of a football. So when you start initially your journey towards technical analysis, please use 15 minute, then use 10 minute, and then you can go down to 5 minute, but don't go below that, please. Okay. And for every other investment horizon, whether 15 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, you can go for daily chart. All the technical indicators which we apply, the best technical indicators is daily time frame, the best time frame to use in technical indicators. Okay, if you're using 15 minute, you can definitely upgrade yourself. If you have spent a few time on 15 minute, you can upgrade to 10. 5 minute is the best candle for intraday traders. I mean, the kind of money you can make with 5 minute candle, you cannot make it with any other candle. Great. So time horizon, investment horizon, and time frame are 3 different things. You will decide your own investment horizon if you are an intraday trader or else otherwise. Then you will choose your time frame accordingly, as I've said, and then you will choose your time horizon, because your time frame is daily. So you will have 1 year worth of data in front of your screen, and you don't need to go back more than a year. If you are making a long-term trend line of 5-10 years, then only you will need 10 years, 5 years ka data. Else 1 year daily chart is the best chart. 1 year daily chart is the best technical analysis chart ever. Please understand. Okay.